Charmaine. I'm the founder and Chief Digital Marketing Officer at Sky Digital Agency based in Singapore. We teach digital marketing topics and I will be in Mauritius in February 2020 on 10, 11 and 12 of February 2020. There are 3 topics that we're going to conduct as individual one-day workshops. The very first one is called SEO Internet Marketing. And what does SEO stand for? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. And in the SEO class, we're going to help you understand what is SEO all about and what does Google take into consideration when ranking your websites. We are also going to share with you some of the free tools available to help you get more insights about how well you are doing and how well your competitors are doing with the keywords that you like to rank for in your industry. So that's what SEO is all about, and with all SEO strategy, you need 2 more things. Firstly, you need content strategy, because with good content, and if you think about Google and you think about Google's user, they are looking for a lot of content online. So even when we talk about tourism, even when we talk about business, right? Before they decide on something, they look at what kind of content you're sharing on your articles, your blog, your case studies, your white papers, so they understand and can decide on your expertise as a company, as a hotel, as a tourism, travel, or agency even. So this is content marketing, and there are many types of contents that you can create for your content marketing strategy, but our focus in the workshop is to design and develop an ebook content marketing strategy with landing pages. So we'll explain to you what's the difference between a website and a landing page during the workshop. And this ebook is what we call a gated content, where it will pop up and ask potential customers' email in exchange for the ebook content. So the ebook content has to be something that's valuable. For our agency, we give away a few types of ebook. One of them is about Facebook, how to boost your posts step by step on Facebook. We also give away our SEO ebook strategy, 10 tips on SEO on our website, and we also give away video training. So sometimes we record a 30 to 45 minutes video training and we share those video training in exchange for our potential customers' email who is on our website. So if you have an SEO strategy and people come to your website, you need a content strategy to kind of get to know them, to try and know their emails so that you can follow up with an email marketing strategy. And that leads me to my 3rd workshop, which is about email marketing. So with email marketing, we are going to use this platform called MailerLite. MailerLite.com is free for your first 1,000 email subscribers. MailerLite.com gives you 10,000 emails per month, and you can email your subscribers, your 1,000 email subscribers, at least 10 times a month. Majority of us will probably only be able to email 1 to 2 times unless you have a lot of educational, useful content to email your potential email subscribers. Although these 3 workshops are standalone workshops, we highly recommend you to contact Prominurious Training Center to find out more about these workshops and how this is going to help you. We have another video to explain about integrated digital marketing strategies, and in an integrated digital marketing strategy, we usually need to involve these 3 that I just talked about. Your SEO for your website, your content strategy. Once your SEO strategy works and you have a lot of traffic on your website, you want to get to know about your traffic. You want to get to know about the people who land on your website. And after you got to know them, you got to know their name, their emails, you want to actually send email marketing campaigns. So what kind of email should you be sending? How can you send them? How can you automate these email campaigns? How can you build pop-up forms so that you can actually share with them valuable information so that you can exchange and ask for their emails. So that's what I have to share with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, do contact Prominurious and their contact details in the video screen. Thank you so much, and do share this video with your friends. Do share about this workshop with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you in Mauritius in February 2020 on the 10, 11 and 12.